Yay! Show us how you can jump! Yay! Are you having fun time? You love your extra saucer? Yeah!
Enjoyed your company.
She's already been going this for 30 minutes, guys. This is her winding down. Go, Kyrie, go. Hey.
And Shirley?
Hey, you.
What
Kyrie.
are you doing here?
Alright, I guess it's time to play with some other stuff. Nope, not for long.